Namaste. Good evening all. Myself Arun. I'm going to teach you today about concepts, that is basic concepts of astrology. So today the topic that I am going to take is the secret of planetary days. That is how the days were assigned for each. Like for example, after Saturday why Sunday only comes, and after Sunday why Monday comes. So all these reasons an astrologer should know. This is like the basic concept. So today I'll be teaching you this particular aspect. As we already know, Saturn is the slowest moving planet around the Earth. So as you can see here, and I don't think it's visible, but anyway, I'll share you the concept of Saturn, which takes 30 years to come one round around the Earth. In a similar way, Jupiter takes 1 year, Mars takes 1 year, 7 months, Sun takes 1 year, Venus 225 days, Mercury 88 days, and Moon 27.3 days. So, according to the speed of the planet that it takes to complete one round around the Earth is how the planet is assigned. So, taking this concept and forming the Hora system. Basically, Hora means 1 hour. For example, as you can see on Saturday, which is the slowest moving planet, if the sunrise that is happens at 6 a.m., that 1 hour has been accommodated by the planet Saturn. It rules this 6 to 7 interval. Similarly, after Saturn, the next slowest moving planet is Jupiter, which rules the 7 to 8 time period. And after which Mars, that is 1 hour, 8 to 9. And again after that, Sun takes 9 to 10, Venus 10 to 11, Mercury 11 to 12, Moon 12 to 1. See, we do not consider Rahu and Ketu because they are considered to be shadow planets. Therefore, these 7 divisions, that is each hour, each 1 hour interval has been ruled by a single planet, as you can see here. And after this, the cycle repeats. That is, in the afternoon, the 1 to 2 p.m. again has been ruled by Saturn, 2 to 3 Jupiter, 3 to 4 Mars, 4 to 5 is again Sun, 5 to 6 is Venus, 6 to 7 is Mercury, 7 to 8 is Moon. So, the time period, the second cycle ends at 8 p.m. Next, from evening 8 to 9 p.m., Saturn takes the accommodation in this time interval. Similarly, morning 2 to 3 a.m. has been accommodated by Moon. Now, 3 to 4 a.m. has been accommodated by Saturn again, and then Jupiter 4 to 5 a.m., Mars 5 to 6, 6 to 7 is Sun. So as you can see here, the sunrise from 6 to 7 has been ruled by Saturn, slowest moving planet. After Saturday, why Sunday comes is because the Hora, that is the 6 to 7 interval, next day morning, is ruled by the planet Surya or Sun. Therefore, this particular day happens to be Sunday. If you follow the same pattern, you can arrive at the consecutive days. That is from Sunday deriving to Monday. From Monday, you are going to Tuesday. So, as you can see, in our traditional astrology, there are many days, like in a month, only there are few days where we can do auspicious events like Shubhakarya. But whereas in each day, there are Shubha Horas. For example, Guru, Shukra, Buddha, and waxing moon, that is Shukla Paksha Chandra, are considered to be the Shubha Horas, whereas the remaining 4, that is Saturn, Mars, Sun, and Krishna Paksha Chandra, are considered to be a Shubha Hora. So based on the Karakatuvas, for example, if a person is talking about the Shubhakarya, let's say I want to get married. If a person is coming to you and asking whether I can get married or not, on that day, if it is Shubha Hora, that is Guru Hora, you can definitely say yes. This is one of the important aspects in horary astrology, where based on the Hora, you can immediately predict and decide. So this is one of the unique methods. and also through this method one can find the exact whether the person is alive or not. How to do that means, I'll just say the example. For example, if a person and comes meet you in the Surya Hora, for example, let's say, again that 1 hour interval, if you divide it into 7 horas, each interval will be 8.5 minutes or 8.6 minutes, let's just say. After that particular 8.6 minutes, what happens is that the Surya is ruled by the first hora, and I mean sub hora I'm talking about. After that Surya Shukra, after that Surya Buddha, like that the cycle ends till Surya Mangala. That is the last hora of the sub hora of the Surya hora. So if a person comes and asks Prashna during that time period, that sub hora lords Lagna Nakshatra or Chandra, that is Janma Nakshatra, if it is the missing person's Nakshatra or Lagna, then the person is alive. That can be told through this method. See, this might be a controversial step, but there are many methods. What I am trying to say here is the Prashna involves a lot of calculations, but in a basic sense, why it is used. This is just an example. You can apply and see, but you need not deliver the result exactly this is what it is. But to understand, to make you understand, this is one of the simplest methods. How horary astrology plays an important role, and also the formation of planetary days is the concept behind this. I hope today we started this session and hope you learned something. Thank you.